Hi, good day. Ade Lamidi, digital marketer at justvideomarketing.com. In today's video, I wanted to discuss how to optimize your YouTube channel for maximum views and subscribers. I've got 12 tips for you, and let's get right started now. So, the first tip is make sure you put your keyword in your YouTube channel if you can. This definitely helps it helps you to optimize your channel, um, so that, let's say somebody types in, for instance, video marketing in YouTube, my channel should come up because video marketing is one of the things I talk about in my channel, and I've also registered justvideomarketing.com. So having your YouTube channel, well, having your keyword, your main keyword in your YouTube channel definitely helps. That's tip number one. Tip number two, make sure you fill out the about section. Make sure you give a detailed description of what your channel is all about, because a lot of people would visit your about section and check out what your channel is all about. The third tip is make sure you use your channel keyword tags on your channel, and you can find this. I think if you go to YouTube Studio, you should be able to find this under advanced settings. So as you can see, I've done exactly that. Tip number four, make sure you update your channel trailer, so that new visitors, you can capture, you can get new visitors to know what your channel is about, because that's the first video that will play when they come to your channel. Make sure you introduce yourself, because people possibly won't have heard of you. Make sure you keep it short and pitch quickly, and you need to hook your viewers within the first few seconds. And make sure you give a call to action. Ask your viewers to subscribe both vocally and textually within the video. So that's tip number four. Tip number five, publish long videos if you can. One of the most important video ranking factors is video watch time. So the longer you're able to allow people to stay on your channel, the more it's good for the optimization of videos. This video watch time is often referred to as audience retention, and the longer people stay on your channel, the more you're able to optimize your videos. Tip number six, focus on the first 15 seconds of a video to maximize watch time. So on each and every other video, make sure you introduce yourself, tell them what your video is about, and if you can, make sure you say something that will allow them to watch the channel, watch the video till the end. So the first 15 seconds sets tone for your video, as visitors' attention is very long. Tip number seven, make sure you create a playlist to enhance watch time. This is something I've learned recently, so make sure if you've got similar themed videos, make sure you create a watch time, so that if somebody watches a video, there's a subsequent video that they can watch, and they can also go back to watch a video that possibly is an intro to the current video they're watching. So that's another good tip. Tip number 8, make sure you say your keywords in your video. This helps YouTube to know what to rank your video for. So if you can say your keyword, your main keyword, when you start your video, and you can also say it towards the end, so that helps in ranking your video on your channels. Tip number 9, strengthen user interaction signals. So make sure you make it an habit to reply to all the comments on your video. So I mean, This is an example. I make sure I thank people that make a comment. I say thank you for the feedback, and this helps. This is another factor that YouTube uses to rank videos, the engagement factor. Tip number 10, make sure you create eye-catching video thumbnails, because this is going to make people click on your videos. If you have you create curiosity thumbnails, for instance, so make sure you customize all your video thumbnails, and this would help your click-through rate on your videos. Tip number 11 is to include a compelling language in titles and the year in description. So this is an example that I've done. So I've said WordPress page tutorial for beginners in 2020, and I've also added how to start a niche site in 2020. So some people, when they go to search when they go to search for keywords, they always sometimes put the year. So this will help the videos on your channel. And let's see. So the last tip is make sure you use video cards and end screens for added context and SEO value. So this is something else that I've started implementing. So I try and keep people staying on my channel by recommending another video that I feel might be similar to what they're watching right now. And the best way to do that is to use video cards and end screen on all your videos. So I hope you've enjoyed these 12 tips. Feel free to check the description. I've got a bonus video for you where you can where I actually go through all this in detail, and I show you how I've done exactly how I've implemented these 12 tips on this particular channel. So just click the link in the description and you'll be able to get a bonus video showing you how I did all that. With that said, I hope you've enjoyed today. Thanks for watching, and feel free to leave me a comment. Let me know what you liked most about this video, and I will talk to you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.